To encrypt a Bill.com API webhook, follow these steps. First, understand what encryption is and why it is necessary. Encryption is the process of converting plaintext data into unreadable ciphertext to protect it from unauthorized access. Bill.com provides a webhook feature that sends notifications to your server when certain events occur. To secure these notifications, you need to encrypt the data being sent. The first step is to generate a public and private key pair. You can use tools like OpenSSL to generate these keys. The public key will be used by Bill.com to encrypt the data, while the private key will be used by your server to decrypt the data. Next, provide the public key to Bill.com through their API or dashboard. This will allow Bill.com to encrypt the webhook data using your public key. On your server, use the private key to decrypt the incoming webhook data. You can use programming languages like Python or Java to handle the decryption process. When handling the decryption, make sure to verify the signature of the incoming data to ensure it has not been tampered with. During transmission, best practices for encrypting Bill.com API webhooks include using secure protocols like HTTPS, keeping your private key secure, and regularly updating your encryption keys. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the secure transmission of data between Bill.com and your server, protecting your sensitive information from unauthorized access.